Okay, so the next plot we have here is the 3D line plot. This is, I mean, it's not as valuable to me as the 3D scatter plot. It's still pretty cool, and it's just kind of fun to show. I have found that usually with a line plot, you don't get a lot of extra value out of the 3D aspect of this. It's kind of cool that you can kind of show these things. Certainly, soup up your time series analysis, but aside from really analyzing a time series analysis, getting a better understanding of how two variables are kind of moving together over time, you're a little bit limited. So it's really good for time series analysis. Is it as kind of game changing as the 3D scatter plot? No, I wouldn't say that having the line plot in 3D is exceptional. It can be helpful though. Really, I think the 3D visualizations are helpful in general, but it's maybe less powerful than the 3D scatter plot, but just to show that it exists. And it's really good if you have a time series analysis. It's a really good plot to use for in those situations, just because it does something a little bit different than we people have typically seen. And I think, you know, displaying your data analysis in a slightly more interesting way is just more captivating to your audience and make it easier to communicate your results. Okay, let's go to the last one.